Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Parrish bin Saidil, and today me and my partner would like to talk about design engineer and what you need to become one of them. Firstly, for the education level, you need at least bachelor degree, masters, or any qualification in the same level of mechanical engineering. For the skill required, you need at least minimum 2 years of proven experience as 3D, CAD engineer or similar role. You also need a technical understanding and documentational skills like Word, Excel, Visio, PDF, or any similar platform. For the responsibilities, design engineer design and develop new products using Autodesk Inventor software from concept through to production. They also develop and improve design to minimize or eliminate quality or cost problems and perform product cost improvements or feature enhancements. Design engineer also provide technical advice such as job quotation, cost analysis, material recommendation, job tender, material testing, and submission. Now we move on to the ethical issues in design engineering. These two examples of ethical issues in design engineering. Firstly, we have a Bangkok skyscraper 2025 collapse tragedy. This tragedy happened because the engineer prioritizing profits over safety. They also ignoring public safety and human rights. This tragedy also happened because the engineer falsely claiming or exaggerating that a design is sufficient or fit for the purpose. It also happened because the engineer deliberately presenting inaccurate information in professional documents or public forums. Now let's move on to the other example. Now the example here is Ocean Gate Titanic submarine tragedy 2023. This tragedy happened because the engineer failing to report concern regarding project viability or safety risks. They also lack or completely neglecting the review and testing process required to ensure quality and public safety standards. This tragedy also happened because the engineer undertaking professional duties or offering advice outside of one's qualified expertise. They are also deviating from or neglecting established professional engineering codes and standards.
2 years after.
That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Muhammad Parrish. My name is Muhammad Wazif bin Badul Hisam, and I will be continuing our presentation regarding design engineer. So what are the code of ethics or ethics of standards violated in both of those two previous tragedies? So one of them, which is engineers shall hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public. Same goes for the ignoring public safety and human rights. Next is engineers shall not misrepresent the adequacy of their designs. Engineers shall be truthful in reports, statements, and public communications. Engineers shall advise their employers when they believe a project will not be successful or is unsafe. Engineers shall ensure engineering work is reviewed and tested to maintain quality and public safety. Engineers shall perform services only in areas of competence and follow established engineering standards. And lastly, engineers shall act with honesty, integrity, and fairness. Engineers shall conduct supervision with diligence. So there are multiple ways and ideas to resolve those ethical issues. One of them, which is in standards, codes, and training, is to establish clear ethical standards and codes. Each company must do that. Next up is strengthen ethical awareness and training, strengthen building codes and enforcement by the government, and lastly, ethical training and professional accountability. Next up, in design review and approval processes, we must strengthen design review and peer checking of each engineer. Clear separation of design, review, approval, testing, and validation. Separate technical judgment from cost pressure. Improve material testing, and improve transparent and accurate documentation. We must also create red teams in each project, which are specifically in testing or simulation in risky future problems that might occur during the project. And lastly, in culture accountability and feedback, we must promote a speak up whistleblower culture along with whistleblower protection law so that no engineer is too afraid to speak up about a problem. Enforce accountability transparently, conduct RCA root cause analysis failure after each failure so that the mistakes are not done again. And lastly, establish a strong safety first culture. And that's all from us. I hope you learned something. Thank you.
No.